My name is Rumana Sheikh and I'm from Bombay. I'm 22 years old. I've been attracted towards this industry since I was 14 years old, and I have seen Alia ma'am's stories and stuff since a long time, and I got to know about the academy in 2020. Since then I've been planning to come. It was difficult to convince my father, but finally this year things worked out and I got a chance to come here, and I think I made a good decision. I'm very happy coming here, learning. It was a great experience for me. The professionalism that I saw, like even on reels, the way you all have made your class, no one really does. People even in Mumbai, there are like small studios. They'll just place some mirrors and chairs, and that is like the class. Here it was very professional. You could actually see that it is a proper school, and so that is what attracted me the most. And also the Rouge Bank. People generally don't give a lot of importance to makeup. They don't really think that it is a proper profession. So here I felt, ma'am and all think that this is a proper profession. That is why they give so much of respect to it. That is why there's a proper school, there's a proper classroom assigned. The difference is practice. I was getting a lot of practice over here, and also on real skin, not on model skin but real skin. So when we go back, even in the real world, when we have clients, we won't get perfect skin, defined face shape. So that practice was really good, and also the IMA certification. No one ever really provides that in the country. So that also attracted me. Really difficult for me because I've always been an introvert. All my life I was always the quiet child, and I never used to even come out of my house. Even if I want something, I used to tell my sister to get it or someone to get it. So to come all the way from Mumbai to Hyderabad, living with new people, that was really difficult. Like first 4 days I was just crying. I got so busy with my daily logs and assignment, at the end I used to forget. So she's amazing. She is a one-man army, I feel. She's such a good person, and she always helped us and very sweet to talk to. So I really liked her. The first few days where she was teaching us all the theory part was really amazing, interesting. She gave us a lot of information, and also the life assistance where we went up. It's not everyone does that, showing your real clients doing the exact work, showing all your products. A person has to be really secure, feel secure to show that. So yeah, that shows that she's so much more secure and amazing. So yeah, really enjoyed learning with her, being with her. It is so less. It is so less because if I wouldn't have come to Hyderabad, there was a course I was looking at in Mumbai. For a month they were charging 4 lakhs a month, and here it is a 4 month minimum amount y'all are charging. I saw my progress, so I feel it was worth it. I was in shock seeing my first look that I did and then the last look. So I was really shocked. Everything, my base, especially my eye makeup. When the first day I did my eye makeup, I thought, oh, I am doing the best. Everyone is okay, but I am doing the best. And now when I looked at it, I was shocked. I was laughing inside, and then a huge difference. You could actually see the transition in shades in my eye look. So everything was perfect. My base has improved a lot. Did exceed my expectations. I mean, I honestly thought that maybe there's a lot on website, but in reality I won't get that much. But yeah, I got a lot more. So I was really happy seeing that you guys, whatever is there on the website is there in reality also. I think wherever they are, everyone should come to Hyderabad for 4 months to ABAM. And if you are really passionate about it, join the course, because this course is meant for passionate people. of course people can just come here to enjoy, but if you really want a career in this industry, then I really think you all should choose A Bank.